So Neotec NCS 2500. An honest review, I've had the saw now for, I don't know, 4 months or so, and yeah, I don't know, good saw for the money. I've heard some complaints online about the top handle being kind of cheesy. Truthfully, it seems kind of stout to me, not much different than per se an Echo. I've cut a lot of stuff up with it, cut an entire playset up. Yeah, saw runs great. Started third pull out of the box. Chain isn't the most durable that it comes with. It's not terrible. Again, an honest review for a homeowner. This is a hell of a bargain. I think I got this on sale for like $75, and it's been a great saw. I certainly would buy one again.